Okay, Lola, show everybody what a good, well-trained dog you are, okay? Even though your sister's crying, it's going to distract you. Okay. Lola, sit. Good girl. Okay. Lola, lay down. Good girl. Okay. Lola, sit. Lola, stay. Good girl. Very good. Okay, now this is going to be a really hard one, okay? Sit. Good girl. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Oh, very good. Okay, take it. You can have it. Take it. Take the treat. It's okay. You can have it. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Lola, sit. Stay. Lola, come. Oh, very good. And you're not even the one in obedience school. Your sister is, but you do so good. Say thank you for watching my lesson. See my pretty new pink collar? Let's show. Yes, very nice. Okay, oh, that was a little burp. Well, on that note, we'll end our training session. Good girl.